The early days of laundry.
Before washing machines, laundry was back-breaking work. For centuries, people washed clothes by hand using washboards, paddles, and stones. Water had to be fetched, clothes were scrubbed and wrung out, and the entire process often took hours. These early methods set the stage for inventors determined to find an easier way to clean clothes.
The first washing machines.
The earliest washing machines appeared in the mid-1800s. These were usually wooden barrels with a hand-cranked mechanism that agitated clothes in soapy water. Inventors like James King and William Blackstone developed patented designs which made laundry a bit less tedious for homeowners and small businesses, though manual effort was still required.
The move to electrification.
The early 1900s saw the arrival of electric washing machines. Brands like Thor introduced the first models powered by electricity, freeing users from constant manual cranking. These machines used rotating drums or plungers, bringing greater efficiency, but they still required careful attention and sometimes manual wringing.
Automatic advancements.
By the mid-20th century, fully automatic washing machines changed everything. With the introduction of timers, water pumps, and spin cycles, people could load laundry, choose a setting, and walk away. Laundry became less of a chore, and automatic washers became a household staple around the world.
High efficiency and beyond.
Modern washing machines are more efficient, powerful, and convenient than ever. High-efficiency models use less water and electricity, while advanced electronics offer a range of wash cycles for every fabric. Innovations such as steam cleaning, smart sensors, and app controls continue to make laundry faster, cleaner, and easier for everyone.